Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. This is a simple way to save time and ensure your content is shared across both platforms simultaneously. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram. From there, go to your profile and click on 3 lines at the top right corner. From there, navigate to the Account Center. The Account Center is where you can manage your connected experiences between Instagram and Facebook. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down to the section labeled Connected Experiences. Click on View All and then select Sharing Across Profiles. Here, you'll need to ensure that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are added and linked. If they're not linked already, follow the on-screen prompts to add them. This step is crucial because it enables the feature that allows you to share content across both platforms. Once your accounts are linked, make sure the sharing settings are enabled. This means that anything you post on Instagram will automatically be posted on Facebook at the same time. You can also adjust the settings to customize your preferences, like whether to enable automatic sharing for stories or reels. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up your accounts to post to Facebook and Instagram simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching.